Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to study a very important topic, which is molarity and problems involving molarity of solutions. So, let's begin step by step. Now, what is molarity? My dear student, molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Formula: molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Here, M mean as molarity, unit of molarity is mole per liters, or M. Moles of solute is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by molar mass, is in gram per moles. Volume must always be in liters. Example: a 2 NaCl solutions mean 2 moles of NaCl dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Now, why is molarity important? My dear student, it tells us the strength of a solution used in laboratories to prepare standard solution and helps in chemical reactions and stoichiometry calculations. Now, steps to calculate molarity. My dear student, the first one is find moles of solute by formula: moles is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass. And the second one is convert solution volume to liters. Volume is equal to volume milliliter volume, which is in milliliter divided by 1000. And the third one is apply formula of molarity, which is moles divided by volume and liter. Now, solved examples. Example number 1. Calculate the molarity of solutions prepared by dissolving 10 gram NaOH and 500 milliliter of solution. Now, molar mass of NaOH is equal to 40 gram per moles. Moles is equal to 10 divided by 40, which is equal to 0.25 moles. Volume, which is equal to 500 milliliter, which is equal to 0.5 liter after conversion. So, molarity is equal to 0.25 divided by 0.5, which is equal to 0.5 m. So, answer is 0.5 m solution. Now, the second example is find the molarity of a solution containing 49 gram H2SO4 and 1 liter solution. Now, molar mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 gram per moles. Moles is equal to 49 divided by 98, which is equal to 0.5 mole. Volume is equal to 1 liter. So, molarity is equal to 0.5 divided by 1, which is equal to 0.5 m. So, answer is 0.5 m solution. Now, the third example is find the mass of NaCl required to prepare 250 ml of 2m solutions. Now, formula: N is equal to m multiplied by V. Volume is equal to 250 ml. which is equal to 0.25 liter. Moles is equal to 2 multiplied by 0.25, which is equal to 0.5 moles. Molar mass NaCl is equal to 58.5 gram per mole. Mass is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 58.5, which is equal to 29.25 gram. So answer is 29.25 gram NaCl. So my dear student, molarity is equal to moles divided by volume and liter. Always convert volume to liter. Use stepwise method: mass, moles, and volume, then apply formula. So my dear student, now you have learned that molarity, that what is the molarity, as how to calculate it, and how to solve problems step by step. If you keep practicing, molarity problems will become very easy for you. Also remember, my dear student, chemistry is not just memorization. It's about understanding matter and its relationships. So if you found this lecture helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.